Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use the Robust Extreme tablet. For an easy start, simply take one tablet orally with a full glass of water. It is recommended to consume the tablet approximately 1 hour before any intended activity to allow for proper absorption. Remember, it is crucial not to exceed one tablet within any 24-hour period to ensure safe and effective use. This simple method helps you get started quickly. When using Robust Extreme, it is important to consider a few key guidelines. Always consult a healthcare professional before starting if you have any existing medical conditions or are taking other medications. Additionally, it is strongly advised to avoid alcohol consumption while using this tablet, as it may affect its efficacy. Proper storage is also vital. Keep the tablets in a cool, dry place, away from direct sunlight and out of reach of children. Understanding the potential effects of Robust Extreme is helpful. Many users report that the effects may last for several hours after consumption, providing sustained support. However, individual responses to the tablet can vary significantly based on metabolism and other factors. If you experience any adverse reactions such as dizziness, headache, or stomach upset, discontinue use immediately and seek medical advice from a qualified professional. Your well-being is paramount. For safety and best practices, remember that Robust Extreme is intended for adult use only. Always keep the tablets out of reach of children and pets to prevent accidental ingestion. Strictly follow the recommended dosage of 1 tablet per 24 hours to ensure optimal results and minimize any potential risks. Adhering to these guidelines will help you use the product responsibly and effectively.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.